Hi guys, today we are making two types of sleeve, long sleeve, which is this one, and short sleeve, which is this one. So now let's start. First of all, I marked the first line. The second line is where my curving will stop, and that is where I will get my round sleeve. So the third one is the length of the sleeve, and the last one is the allowance. So now I'm marking the round sleeve. So after getting my round sleeve, I added 1 inches allowance. Now this is the elbow. Next to the elbow, after getting my measurement, I added 1 inches allowance. So remember, when you're cutting sleeve, you divide into 2, not into 4. So this is the allowance. This is the allowance of the length. The allowance I added on the length of this on the sleeve. So now I connect the lines together. So now it is time to curve the upper side of it. As you can see, now you will see the reason why I marked the second line. That is where I ended my curve. So now this is the second sleeve, which is the long sleeve. I marked my 4 inches down. This is where my curving will stop, and this is where I will get my round measurement. Then after that, I mark from the starting point to the elbow, which I measured 13 inches. You can also call it half sleeve. I marked another one from the starting point to the length. This is the full length of the sleeve. So now it is time to measure the round sleeve. I marked my round sleeve and I added 1 inch allowance. I marked my round sleeve here and I added 1 inch allowance. Same to the wrist. I marked my wrist and I marked 1 inch allowance. So now it is time to connect the lines together. Please follow my page, like and share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow my TikTok page. You can search for my name, Ogechi Veno. Thank you. So now it is time to curve the upper part of the sleeve. You see, I ended it at the second line. So now I'm done. It is time to cut. So now this I'm placing it on the fabric now, the pattern paper on the fabric to trace it out. So now I'm done. It is time to cut the line. As you can see, the reason why I minus 2 inches, that 2 inches I minus when I was marking the this thing, I added it here to the lining, so I make the lining shorter, then added it so that it will relax and balance. After sewing it, you will not see the thank you for watching.